Hi, thanks for the invitation to join the Good Guide. Tell me how to use it.
It is an easy-to-use website that links those with questions to those who have the answers. I love to travel, so use it to find out more about countries I'm interested in. You can also ask questions on various topics.
How do you do that?
Just visit the country or topic page and explore. There is a lot of information, and you do not have to sign in. If I have a question, or need local information, there are guides who are willing to help. I can contact them after signing in.
How do you contact them? By phone, email?
No, each guide has a profile page which details countries they have visited, or knowledge they have. They also state how they can help, and I can then ask them a question, or send them online mail.
Interesting. What else can I do?
If you like a guide's advice, you can follow them. That way, you get to see all their answers and updates. If they follow you, they see all your answers and updates too. You can also ask questions anonymously, and share your answers with Facebook.
So, who can be a guide?
Everyone can be a guide. All it takes is some knowledge and a desire to assist others. Just share what you know. It may seem trivial to you, but can be extremely important to others. See the city behind us, you know where to get the best cup of coffee. Those visiting this city may not. You can also tell them all the cool and fun stuff to do.
I guess I can invite all my friends, and if I have questions, I can go to them first. I can also mentor others online and share my knowledge.
Certainly. My friends have joined me on the Good Guide and I'm learning a lot from them. I also get the chance to share the little stuff I know.
Thanks. I will register and join you on thegoodguide.com today.